Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mamas out there, and to my incredible and sweet mother. The warmth and love that you share with me and everyone around you is incomparable. It's endless, it's beautiful. You are the peanut to my jelly, the stars to my sky, and you gave me the colors to paint my own life. You hold me when I fall. You cheer me on when I fly. You hug me when I cry. And you laugh with me to make me feel better. With your strength, you show me how to be soft. You fill up my cup so smoothly and softly. I wouldn't and I couldn't be who I am without you. The way you teach me to live from the heart, to care for people, to give without expecting anything back. The way you protect and support me no matter what. The way you're always there when I need you, every step of the way, every slice of the way. I couldn't be more grateful to call you my mom. You are the crunch to my smoothie bowl, and that is always the best part. Thank you, Mama, for everything. I love you so, so much. And to all other mamas out there, you are the true rock stars in this world. Keep on shining, and I hope you all feel the love you deserve today and any day moving forward.
You're like... Did you smoke weed?
I'm getting the shot.
It feels like you're drunk.
I'm killing it. Don't worry. You're killing it. I'm killing it.
Okay. Oh, it's because the wood is so close.
Yeah. What is...
It's true. It's true.
Are you stuck?